So this is kind of awkward. This hasn't happened to me in a long time. But I bought something that I thought it was really crap. I just reached for it in the shop and put it in my cart and I didn't even look at it. I knew kind of what it was, like a LED bulb with 8 watts and 800 lumens, but I didn't notice this. Allegedly it has a light sensor and it turns off when the sun comes up or something like that. It turns off and it turns on in the night, allegedly. So yeah, this was like $1, $1.20. So yeah, I don't know what to believe. I'm kind of skeptical because it's too cheap to do that. But on the other hand, you don't need much to sense light nowadays. Even if you have a very good chip, it can determine light just with the LEDs even. Because LEDs do generate some electricity when they receive light. So might be that, I don't know, I just want to see. I'm really curious. So let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's sealed. Oh boy, for $1. Oh boy. How do you get this open? Man's strongest enemy, Scotch tape. Okay, let's see. Oh, here it is. Yeah, nothing to see on it, so the sensor must be inside. It says here 806Lumen, Germany, warm white, 800 lumens, 50 milliamps, whatever, 8.8 watts. So it needs a bit more energy than the Osram LED bulbs. Those need only 8.4. So yeah, Kaufland Stiftung and Company, KG, whatever. And all the certificates, don't throw it in the garbage and blah blah blah. What's this GS? Bureau Veritas. I don't know what that is. Some other certificate. So let's look under the bulb. Yeah, I'm very, very curious. Can you twist it off? Break it off? Oh boy, it's stuck in there. Really tight. Maybe this will be another video when I take it apart or stab my hand. Oh boy. Let me see at least how it's glued. Oh boy, this just breaks off. This is unprofessional. I mean, very professional, but good glue, man. That's good glue. Oh boy, now this is funny. So there's a hole in the board for a light sensor and it's sticking its head out to look at yeah. That's interesting. So there must be some electronics here, a chip or something under on this secondary circuit board inside. I'm not going to take it apart just yet because I want to see if it works. I haven't even tried it yet, so I'll just try it in a socket. Yeah, maybe I'll do another video looking inside. I mean, I think I can kind of sort of look at it like this to see what's inside. but there's only the light sensor. Oh, and there's a chip, I think. There's a chip and the capacitor, another capacitor. So yeah, 2 capacitors, a chip, and yeah, I think this is only a voltage regulator. This doesn't have anything to do with the turning off and on part. Can I show you what it is? In some angle. Well, I can barely see it. KP18061EP 4SP72702. Yeah, maybe in the recording you can see it, but on the phone screen I can't see it right now. It's worse resolution than the video, so yeah. Whatever. So this is kind of amazing if it works. That's how it looks at the light. I never saw anything like this for $1.